From now, everyone can build up anything. Today, let's dive in Whacka. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, I'm gonna show you how to build up an app right in front of you in 5 minutes. But I'm gonna cheating because I will use this Whacka tool. Remember the domain if you want to make the same, whacka.app. So Whacka is my secret weapon. But you still need to learn how to use IDE, for example, like the cursor, like windsurf. But today with Whacka, everybody can do this. So this is the homepage of the Whacka, and you can easily log in by click this button. Let's continue by our Google account. All right, now we are logged in. Okay, after we provide our melody, and you're able to change the style of the sound, make it a guitar, make it a piano, make it the drums, make it simple instrumental. And for example, like the piano, and let's click here, convert to tone. Okay, it says your generated tone is here. Let's click here. Wow, we just did that. And you can click here, download it. Now, the app is already shareable. You can directly open this link. This is your URL to your app, and you can open it in your mobile device and open it with your Safari browser and click View More and click Add to Home Screen so that you can make your app installed in your mobile. All right, back here. So this time I want to build up an app just for me. I want to learn Japanese for a long time. So let's try to build up the app that can help us to learning another language. So my prompt is like build an app helping me to learn Japanese. And let's see what we can get. Okay, let's click here. Now we're generating our second app. Your KanaQuest is on its way. Time to start your Japanese journey. And oh my god, now we have it. Just the whole thing just spanned like 2 minutes. And now we'll build our KanaQuest app. And to be honest, it's quite rich because you have like progress, and you have a quiz, and you have a learn. So we have 3 entry points at the button. And on top we have a quiz mode. Let's click here. So basically, you can learn the character and you can click here to listen it. Let's click all level. And you have this character, you can click here, listen. And you can guess the meaning. I think this person. Yeah, this is correct. And you can click here. Good. I'm not quite sure. Maybe blue? No. Yeah, these are amazing. Can you actually believe there's no editor behind this? And you can play the quiz as long as you want, and you can click here to check your progress. And you can find a lot of data of your current progress. This is so nice, right? We actually build up this complicated Japanese language learning app just in 2 minutes. And you can click here, share with your friend or share in your social media so everybody learn from this app. And more importantly, you can get benefits from it, right? And you can find a lot of amazing apps that's generated by communities. For example, like this Quest. So as a designer, we have this ability that can pick up the color, has very slightly different. So this app, this little game is made for people who, like me, believing that we have the superpower of finding different colors. So let's click here, start. Oh, I guess this one, yeah. So now you get it, right? Not only the app, but also you can make games. And let's find another. So you have nice categories that we have a top, we have a play, meaning those apps are mainly games and also labs and life and tools. So let's change to tools and click here, word nest. So you can build up any app just like that.
Elephant.
It's fully functional. See? It's like a dictionary.
Penguin.
And you can click here, start quiz. So what does this mean, turtle? I think it's kind of a Duolingo, right? All right, now let's build up our app, okay? So the key of making an app is having an idea. You know, I am not a music guy. I don't know nothing about music, but I always want to make sounds. I don't know why. It's always been my dream. So I want to build up this app. So my prompt is like making a hum to tone app. So for example, one day you just cooking in your kitchen and you have a melody in your mind like, and about 5 minutes you will forget about this beautiful melody. But with this app, you can make it into real music. Isn't that fantastic? Let's make it. Let's click here, click this button. And now Whacka is helping us to build up this app. You can check the task for the agent in real time. Okay, starting your tune repo now. This is a very cute emoji, right? Oh, now we are building it. Okay, now it's time to test our app. Let's click our button. Alright, so much for today. Hope you liked today's content. Don't forget to check Whacka by yourself. And I cannot wait to see what you're gonna create with this amazing web coding tool. And ladies and gentlemen, I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.